What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So the most anticipated phone of 2021 is the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. We have a few days now before the announcement, but both of these devices has been on the internet and it's been on fire. So let's talk about both of these phones. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is back with another video. So we have an unboxing of the Google Pixel 6 Pro ahead of its announcement. Just hit the internet, and we all know how this works, right? Soon as somebody unbox something, it scatters all over the internet. And I'm gonna tell you, oh boy, looking at it, man, that's what I'm talking about. I really do like this design. In the front, it looks like a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with the peephole notch at the top. It's a really big device, right? Got a little chin at the bottom, no big deal, looks good. And in the back, it has a very unique style. I really do like that. And also, we got the official prices of the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. The Google Pixel 6 will be at $599. This is United States prices. The Google Pixel 6 Pro will be $898 or $899, which is insane due to the market of flagships that cost above the $1,000 price point. So I believe that Google will knock this out of the park in 2021. Look, Google new custom Tensor chip will deliver great performance, right? Great camera processing and much more. Looks like Google will steal the show in 2021. I'm looking forward to it. Look, it's no reason why Google shouldn't steal the show in 2021 because all the leaks, all the excitement, all the marketing, everything, all the hype that's surrounding the Google Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. Look, I can't wait to get my hands on one of them, right? To see what it's all about. Look, we're going to see a lot of stuff very soon. And we're going to have a huge discussion about it. We're going to have some fun with the Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro. These are great prices, Tensor chip, great design, great cameras, right? If Google get the video right, I think we're going to have a very good product on our hands, especially at the price. One of the hugest things that we was concerned about is, can Google get the price right? And look like for $599 and $899, I believe that Google got it right. Woo, Lord, that's what I'm talking about. Can't wait. Look, let's have a discussion. Leave your comments down below. Let's talk about which one are you getting? The Google Pixel 6 or are you getting the Google Pixel 6 Pro? Do you like the design? Do you like the display? Do you like the material design of Android 12? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's have a discussion. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let's talk about the Google Pixel. See you guys on the next video. Woo! Peace.
Dan Tana.